What's going on, guys? Over here in this video, I want to show you how to get signed up for ClickBank, which is going to be a quick video because it actually is very, very simple to do. And the great thing about it is anybody can sign up for it, right? No matter where you are, right? Now, obviously, there are some countries that you're not able to sign up with ClickBank, but if that's the case, you can simply just use a VPN to access it, which is no problem. So let's go into how to do it. So first of all, go to clickbank.com. Once you go to clickbank.com, you're just going to go ahead and click on Start Here, that blue button. And it's going to come up with a kind of a quick start guide here. I recommend you do not do any of that. Okay, don't click on any of this stuff because they're going to try to sell you on a program which you don't need because you're in Project Platinum and you're good to go. So just go ahead and click skip the quick start guide. Okay, and then from there, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you for a couple things. It's going to ask you what country you're in and from. Okay, if you don't see your country listed, obviously you just need to go ahead and sign up for a VPN and just use the VPN IP of whatever country that VPN is from. Okay, use your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and password, and then that's all you have to do right there. So just click continue to read the terms and conditions. You'll have to go this and just kind of read this. So I would just go down like this. Boom, boom, exit, and then come back, click, boom, done. Okay. Once you do that, then you have your account set up and ready to go. And actually, let me actually go ahead and what I will do is I will show you what a regular ClickBank account looks like once you are signed up for one. So give me 1 second, and I'll pull up my demo account to show you what it looks like. All right, so once you have gotten signed up for a ClickBank account and you've created your ClickBank ID, then you'll see something like this when you log in, right? So the nice thing about here with the ClickBank accounts is that you're going to be able to, let me just expand this out a bit. I don't want to give you a little crash course on how everything goes. So obviously this is a demo account. This is not one I'm actively using, but you'll be able to see it. So a couple things here, you'll be able to see your weekly sales snapshot here. All right, you'll see your daily sales snapshot, which is we always want to see those numbers come through and get bigger and bigger as we go along. And chances are you may not go in here a lot because you're going to probably use the Project Platinum dashboard in your software, which I actually prefer. And you'll be able to see your sales here as well as an affiliate. Okay. Now keep in mind, sometimes people get a little confused because this number that they see in terms of current sales may not add up to what they are getting in terms of payout. And that's because what this does is it factors in all total sales between your commission and the product owner's commission. So just kind of keep that in mind, right? Now in here, obviously we have our reporting section. So this is where you can find reporting in terms of data and things like that. If you want to look in there, you can see your paycheck section, your transaction section, and your everything there. So you can see paychecks, you can see what the threshold is. Obviously there's different things here. You can see your account settings. So this is where you can do some account stuff there as well. There's all kinds of different things you can do here inside of this setup inside of ClickBank. Okay. And so anyways, guys, that's a quick little crash course on how to get signed up for a ClickBank account. Very easy to do, very simple to do. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that after watching this video, and also make sure you guys watch the video in how to get your dashboard inside the Project Platinum software hooked up as well. There's a bunch of videos and tutorials on that as well. And that I definitely recommend that because that'll be super cool because as I mentioned inside of the Project Platinum software, you're going to be able to, if I can just show you right here actually, you'll be able to see your sales come through on a basis, right? So look at this. I mean, I made over $1,000 today so far. You can see the sales coming through just on these accounts that I have running right now. So that's you can see I'm close to platinum, 63% in this one account that I have. Okay. So anyways, guys, that's how to get signed up for a ClickBank account. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know in the group, and I'll see you in the next video.